Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Free dental care for the blind, a charity on a mission to improve health care for people with disabilities. Kian Morgan has the details in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Good oral hygiene. It's fundamental to one's overall health and well-being. But for some, dental care is out of their reach. These men from the Jamaica Society for the Blind know all too well the struggles.
Most of us are unemployed, and the financial aspect of it is what beating most of us. Would like to have these services or do the normal services I will do, but we're just being impeded.
Robin Kara Lloyd from the Robin Kara Foundation took note after an encounter with a blind person at the bank.
He was trying to do a transaction, and I just kind of witnessed him and his struggles, and I made a decision then and there that I wanted to go to the Jamaica Society for the Blind to get information to see how best I could assist them.
And in a bid to help alleviate some of their struggles, Robin decided to partner with the Jamaica Society for the Blind and the City Dental and Implant Care Center to offer members a free dental cleaning.
The more we do for other people is the better society is, you know. There are times in my life as someone who I want to say was a middle class person where I could have used some help. So I can only imagine persons who are, less fortunate.
The initiative, which Robin says is ongoing, aims to provide members with a variety of dental options. She adds this gives them more accessibility.
So a lot of them don't come outside as soon as they get the diagnosis that they're blind or XYZ, or they're going to be blind in a couple of weeks. They kind of go into a depression, they don't go out, they don't have much entertainment.
It was an amazing opportunity for us to actually get involved. There was no hesitation. We said, absolutely, let's do this.
I wanted to clean my teeth for the longest while. So this opportunity is a welcome opportunity. So I just grab onto it.
It was more than glory, man. I enjoyed it a lot because it's a long time I don't do this,
Chairman of the Jamaica Society for the Blind, Damian McLean, is inviting similar projects aimed at improving members' well-being.
It's not just dental care. It's medical care, eye care, eye drops, things like those, very, very expensive. So the Jamaica Society for the Blind welcome all health initiatives that will help to make our population a healthier population.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.